Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the viral action figure video version 3. But this time, instead of just showing the figure, we will make it look like someone is cleaning or painting their action figure with a tiny brush. It's super fun, super realistic, and viral and very viral. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your Google Gemini. And before we start, you need a miniature action figure photo like this. If you don't know how to make one yet, no worries, I already made a step-by-step tutorial for that. Just check the link in the descriptions. And once you have got your miniature photo ready like this, just download it to your device like this. And next, just go back to Gemini and then tap on menu, and then you tap and then tap on create video, this one, and then just upload your photo that you downloaded before. Just tap on plus button and then gallery like this. Will be the base image for your animations. And here's the fun part, just typing the prompt. I already wrote one, you can copy like this. You can just copy my prompt or just tweak the prompt to describe exactly what you want. I will copy my prompt like this and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and after that just hit generate. And okay, like this, let's play the video.
Almost there, just a tuff more. Perfect. This one's gonna be a masterpiece. Done. Almost there, just a tuff more. Perfect. This one's gonna be a masterpiece. Done.
Okay, like this. In just a moment, you will see your photo come to life. Super cool, right? And okay, that's it. That's our viral action figure version 3 is done. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.